They don't come with warning labels. They don't announce themselves with flashing red lights. In fact, most families never notice them until it's too late. Quietly, slowly, day after day. These mistakes eat away at your savings, your dreams, and your future. You don't feel them in the moment. But years later, you wake up and wonder, where did it all go? Why are we still living paycheck to paycheck? Why do we feel trapped, no matter how hard we work? Here's the chilling truth. It's not always the big decisions that ruin families financially. It's the small, silent mistakes, the ones we repeat without realizing, that steal everything we've been working for. Today, we're going to uncover the most common hidden money, mistakes that could be destroying your family's future, and more importantly, how to stop them before they rob you blind. Mistake number 1, ignoring small leaks. It's never the giant hole that sinks the ship. It's the dozens of little cracks you refuse to patch. A streaming subscription here, a daily coffee there, a late-night online order you barely remember. Small, harmless, right? Wrong. Add them up and suddenly thousands are gone each year. Money you could have saved, invested, or used for your kids' future. The fix? Track every expense, no matter how small, because the smallest leaks sink the biggest ships. Mistake number 2, living without an emergency fund. One hospital bill, one car repair, one job loss. That's all it takes to collapse an unprepared family. And yet, too many families walk on thin ice with no safety net. An emergency fund isn't just savings, it's survival. Without it, you're always one bad day away from disaster. Start small, $500, then $1,000. Slowly, build until you cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Because one emergency shouldn't destroy your entire future. Mistake number 3, using credit like cash. Swiping feels painless. Buying now and paying later feels easy. But every swipe writes chains around your future. Interest doesn't sleep. Debt grows like a shadow that follows you everywhere. And before you know it, you're not working for your family, you're working for the banks. Treat credit as fire, use it carelessly, and it will burn everything. Mistake number 4, spending without a plan. Money without a plan is like water in your hands. It slips away no matter how tight you squeeze. Too many families live without a budget. They think budgets are restrictions, when in reality, they're freedom. Budget isn't about saying no to fun. It's about saying yes to your goals. Without it, your money disappears into the abyss of, I don't know where it went. Mistake number 5, living for today, forgetting tomorrow. You work hard. You want to enjoy life. But focusing only on today, on vacations, gadgets, and comforts, steals tomorrow's peace. Your kids' education, your retirement, your security, those need attention now. Because tomorrow doesn't wait. And if you don't prepare, tomorrow punishes. Mistake number 6, believing more income will solve everything. If I just earn more, things will get better. It's the lie most families believe. But income doesn't cure bad habits. Overspending on $3,000 a month will become overspending on $10,000 a month. More money without discipline is just more fuel for the fire. The fix? Learn to control what you have before chasing more. Mistake number 7, not teaching kids about money. Here's the hidden tragedy. Parents work hard, sacrifice, and save only to pass down bad money habits to their kids. If your children don't understand saving, budgeting, or self-control, they'll repeat your mistakes, and your sacrifice will be wasted. Teaching kids about money isn't optional. It's the most important legacy you leave behind. Mistake number 8, ignoring retirement until it's too late. Your 30s, your 40s, even your 50s, retirement feels far away. But every year you delay, the mountain gets harder to climb. Most families wake up too late, realizing they can't catch up. The result? Dependence, stress, and regret. Start now. Even small contributions today grow into security tomorrow. Mistake number 9, avoiding the hard conversations. Money fights destroy families more than financial struggles themselves. Couples avoid talking about debt, budgets, or sacrifices. They hide purchases, bury stress, and build resentment. Silence is deadly. Families that survive financially are the ones who talk, plan, and face challenges together. Mistake number 10, thinking it won't happen to you. This is the most dangerous mistake of all. Believing that disasters, emergencies, or financial crises are for other families, not yours. But life is unpredictable. Job losses, illness, economic crashes, none of us are immune. The families that survive aren't the ones who hope, it's the ones who prepare. The turning point. Maybe as you listen, you feel a weight in your chest. Maybe you recognize your own habits here. Maybe you're realizing these silent mistakes have already been draining your future. That feeling? That's not guilt, that's awareness. And awareness is the first step toward freedom. Imagine what your life could look like if you plugged the leaks, built the fund, stopped the impulses, and faced the hard truths. Imagine security instead of stress. Imagine confidence instead of guilt. Imagine a future where your kids inherit wisdom, not debt. The final warning. Silent mistakes are deadly because they don't feel deadly until it's too late. But today you've seen them. You can't unsee them. The choice now is yours. Keep repeating the patterns and watch your future slip away. Or take control, step by step, and reclaim the life you and your family deserve. Your family's future isn't stolen in one moment. It's stolen slowly by the mistakes you allow to continue. But starting today, you can stop the theft.